guys, welcome back. So today's video is on my experience with the outfits that I got from Stock by Love. I recently purchased 5 to 6 outfits from Stock by Love and I styled them during my trip to Malaysia and Singapore, and I really loved all those outfits as they were super comfy and they were stylish at the same time. Also, I want to tell you girls that 3 to 4 years back, I purchased a dress from Stock by Love, and at that point of time, my experience with Stock by Love was not great. I didn't find that dress very great. So I was like, I won't buy any dress or outfit from Stock by Love anymore. But recently, I thought to give a try again. And this time I was really happy with the outfits, and I can definitely say that next time I'll purchase outfits from Stock by Love because I really love them this time. So on that note, let's begin. This is the first dress, and it is a peachy shade maxi dress. It has got bell sleeves. You can see the detailing it has got on its sleeves. It is super fashionable. I wore it during my cruise time in Singapore. It is super flowy and comfortable at the same time. I loved it. My second outfit is a stripped stamp blouse. So it is long at the back and it is short in the front. It looks like a crop top in the front, and I styled it with black jeggings. So it was looking really fashionable and I just loved it. My third outfit in the series is a black dungaree. I paired it with a yellow crop top to give it a super trendy edge, and the complete look was looking super cute. I wore it during my visit to Garden by the Bay, which is in Singapore, and I found this fabric completely comfortable all day long. My fourth outfit was a black Lola lace puff sleeve jumpsuit. What I really loved about this outfit is it looks really fashionable and trendy once you wear it, because it has got that puffy sleeves and lace design. I wore it during my visit to Universal in Singapore, and I found it really comfortable for all day long wear. My fifth outfit is a maroon jumpsuit. What is unique about this is it has got a twisted knot in the front, so it gives it a fashionable look, and I just love the fabric. It is super soft. My sixth outfit is a black crop top. What's great about this is it has got puff sleeves, so yeah, it is giving an edge to it, and I paired it with blue shorts. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. And I guess I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.